Hi, this is Zach here from Zach's Traders Cafe. We'll look at some single stocks on Monday the 19th of September. Starting off with BHP Billiton, where there's been a decent rebound of this rising trend channel floor from January. That's running just below the £10 level, £9.80 to be precise. And really while above that, we're looking for at least a retest of August resistance around the £11 level. Best case scenario target over the next couple of months as high as £12, which is the top of this year's trend channel. On to another mining play, which is Sentiment Gold Miner. And here we can see that basically shares have been fishing for a floor over the last couple of weeks at least, with the initial 143 low for September, and really an end of day close back above that would then suggest that we're back in business for a retest of the initial, or rather the August rising, August peak at £1.80. Best case scenario target here as high as 185, which would be the top of that late May rising trend channel. And that can be achieved as soon as the next 1 to 2 months. If you're cautious on the shares, maybe wait for a little bit longer, i.e. an end of day close above the 10-day moving average at 146, but really back above the initial September floor at 143 should be enough to get the bulls back in business. On to a smaller stock here, ITM Power, which has been on a recovery track in recent weeks. Here we've got a rising April trend channel, which can be drawn from the lows of that month towards 10 pence. Looking for the shares to at least get up to 26 or 27 pence, which is the top of a rising March trend channel, only back below the 50-day line at 19.3 pence, really questioning the ongoing recovery argument, especially after the break last month through the 200-day moving average down to 17 pence, which is a falling feature. Premier Oil is next, and here this was one of the better recovery plays earlier in the year. What's interesting now is the way it's bouncing off the 200-day moving average at 59 pence. At least while we're above that one, we'll be looking for further considerable upside, possibly as high as the £1 level, which would be the top of a rising February trend channel. Probably want to see the shares deliver an end of day close above the 50-day moving average at 68 pence before targeting the highest levels there. Sky is next, and here we've been trying to work out how the shares are going to turn around, or where they're going to turn around from. Looks like we've got a nice little island reversal here over the last week, a gap down earlier in September and then a gap higher today, so that should be the end of the retracement from 950. End of day close above the 50-day moving average at 871 should then be enough to give us a retest of the main 950 to 960 resistance zone. Tlu Energy, a great private investor favourite at the moment, going onwards and upwards here. Not surprising given how many fans it has. Best case scenario target here at the moment as high as 16 or 17 pence, which would be the top of a rising trend channel, which has been in place since June. That has its support line currently around the 9 pence area, and really while we're above that, 16 pence plus looks to be on the cards for this particular stock, even after all the gains we've already seen. Finishing off with the larger stock Weir Group, and here you can see that there's been an extended recovery here since the beginning of the year, largely based around the 50-day moving average level that's shown in blue at 1529, and really plenty more to come in terms of the upside at the current rate of progression. £18 is the top of the rising February trend channel, and that's a valid target while there's no end-of-day close back below the 50-day moving average at 1529. That's it for me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.